Okay, good morning dear students. Hope you are enjoying your study. We have already started our last topic of this semester, that is chapter number 10, reaching the age of adolescence. और लास्ट लेसन में तो थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया था, 10 minutes 15 minutes over हो गया था. Today we will try to have a 40-minute lecture around that. And I wanted to finish in 2 lessons, but okay, let it be for 3 lessons. Second lesson I will be posting today, that is Tuesday, and third lesson I will be posting you Wednesday. ठीक है? So far what we have studied in this lesson? Who is a child? Who is an adult? What is meant by adolescent, or what is adolescence period? What are the changes, physical, physiological, intellectual, emotional changes taking place? What is puberty? What happens during the period of puberty? ये सारी बातें हमने थोड़ी समझने की कोशिश की. And lastly, we have touched the topic hormones. Role of hormones in initiating reproductive functions. How the reproductive organs start function. What is the role played by hormone? What are hormones? What are endocrine gland, exocrine gland? ये मैंने आपको बता दिया था. Hormones क्या है? They are chemical substance associated with, or they initiate what? Your activities. They are associated with the activities of in the living organisms. They are poured into the blood through ductless or with ductless. Ductless or what? Endo and exo with ducts. Endocrine and exocrine glands. This we have studied. यहाँ कहीं भी शायद लिखा हो मैंने, no, I am not touched that. Since we are already done. Today we are going to start what is the role of hormones, how they associate, how they regulate the functions, particularly initiate the reproductive functions. अब क्या है बच्चों? हार्मोन्स. शायद मैंने इस पॉइंट को टच किया था. टेस्टिस in case of boys or male, and ovaries in case of girls or female, they start producing the what? Hormones. Testes produce testosterone and ovaries produce estrogen. ये मैंने आपको लास्ट लेसन में बता दिया. ठीक है? और सबसे बड़ी बात क्या है? Testes and ovaries. यानी testes in case of a boy and ovaries in case of a girl. They are again initiated or irritated, you can say. यानी उनको prick कौन करता है आके? Just okay, you start functioning. क्या है बच्चों? Other glands when we will study in next lesson or tomorrow lesson. Other gland other than sex hormones gland and all. Other hormones other than hormones other than sex hormones. These are sex hormones. Testosterone and what? Estrogen. There is another gland, pituitary gland, which is the master gland or the controlling gland for growth of the boys and the girls and the human beings, or you can say. Pituitary gland. That releases one particular hormone, gonadotropic hormone. What is the function of this hormone? मैंने आपको बताया था ना ये कि these hormones, chemical substances produced by the glands, they are poured into the blood either directly or through the ducts, and they reach the target site. Target site, जगह, उस जगह पहुंचते हैं, and they do their work there. और टारगेट साइट भी इनिशिएट हो जाती है, स्टार्ट हो जाती है. अब क्या है? पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड इज देयर. वेयर? हियर. छोटा दिमाग. एक पिक्चर आई थी, शायद आई थी क्रांतिवीर थी क्या? हाँ, यस क्रांतिवीर. उसमें वो एक्टर का नाम मैं भूल गया भाई। तो भैया इधर नहीं मारने का, इधर छोटा दिमाग होता है, छोटा दिमाग नहीं है, पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड है, विच इज द कंट्रोलिंग ग्लैंड ऑफ ऑल द ग्लैंड्स। वो कंट्रोल करता है हार्मोन्स, जो इम्बैलेंस बैलेंस नहीं हो जाए बॉडी के अंदर, कौन सा है? पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड। सो द हार्मोन्स रिलीज्ड बाय दिस ग्लैंड, gonadotropic hormones, it initiates the testes and ovaries to release testosterone and estrogen. Testosterone and estrogen. So testosterone is a male sex hormone and estrogen is a female sex. ये जो सारी चेंजेस आती हैं ड्यूरिंग द एडोलेसेंस इन बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर, ये कौन लेके आता है? दीज टू हार्मोन्स। ठीक है। अनदर हार्मोन अगेन इट इज रिलीज्ड बाय दिस पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड। मैंने तभी तो कहा ना आपको, मास्टर ग्लैंड है, कंट्रोलिंग ग्लैंड है पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड, पढ़ेंगे हम। ओके, वो क्या करता है? नाउ ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड अगेन इट इनिशिएट्स द टेस्टिस and the ovaries to start producing the what? Male and female gametes. That means वो जो another hormone है, वो क्या करता है? It stimulates the testes. Testes को stimulate करके क्या बनाता है? Male sperms. और ovaries को stimulate करके क्या होता है? Okay, now you start producing the ovum or the egg. So this is the role of hormones in initiating reproductive functions. जैसा मैंने आपको भी बताया कि टेस्टोस्टेरोन एंड एस्ट्रोजन जितनी भी हमने डिस्कस कर ली है लास्ट लेसन के अंदर, ये जो सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर्स हैं, इन केस ऑफ बॉयज मोस्ट बियर्ड एंड ऑल दैट, मूछें, दाढ़ी, एडम एप्पल, ब्रॉडनिंग ऑफ चेस्ट एंड शोल्डर मसल, दिस एंड दैट, and armpit hairs and all that, ये सब क्या है? सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर। और गर्ल्स के अंदर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ब्रेस्ट, ब्रॉडनिंग ऑफ हिप्स एंड ऑल दैट, एंड अगेन another gland is there, it is again released by the pituitary gland. वो क्या करता है बच्चों? ड्यूरिंग एडोलेसेंस और द प्यूबर्टी, what in case of girls that breasts have been developed, it initiates the what? Mammary glands. कहने का मतलब क्या है? ड्यूरिंग द एडोलेसेंस पीरियड, जो हमने लास्ट लेसन में डिस्कस किया है, तभी तो हम बोलते हैं व्हाट इज प्यूबर्टी, when the male and female become capable of reproducing. Okay, so all these things, so this is the function of hormones in initiating reproductive function. So what is next? Reproductive phase of life in human. Yes, बच्चों क्या है? ये एक बहुत ही समझने वाला एक टॉपिक कह लीजिए, इन पर्टिकुलर द गर्ल्स। एंड मैं आपको बताऊंगा एज एंड व्हेन आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट इफ यू आर फाइंडिंग सम प्रॉब्लम हियर एंड देयर ड्यूरिंग दिस reproductive phase, when it starts in your life, you must consult your parents, you must ask your mom, or you can ask your senior teacher, sir, what I should do, because it may not be a bigger or a major problem in your life afterwards when you get married. I will let you know. Okay, so reproductive phase of life in humans. In males generally it is 60-65, or in some books you may find also till the death. No, I disagree. Till death is not the reproductive age of a human, of a male. After 60 or 65, a male is also incapable of reproducing. एक 90 साल का अगर उम्र का एक बूढ़ा आदमी है, whether he is capable of reproducing? No, he is not capable of. But in case of girls, the reproductive phase in life is generally, I'm talking in general, average जब हम काउंट करते हैं 45 years to 50 years. After 50 years, or a particular stage comes, that also we will discuss, a woman becomes incapable of reproducing, because at that time how her ovaries becomes non-functional. They stop producing the egg or the ovum, और जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, female gamete. And if the female gamete is not there, how fertilization can take place or how a baby can be there? So reproductive phase in male, according to me, in books you may find a different connotations. According to him, it is maximum at the age of 65, and in female it is 45 to 50 years. So what happens is, how we can come to know, or how we can say that now this is the stage of a reproduction in case of females. Generally क्या होता है बच्चों? In case of girls, from 12 years onwards, and in case of boys, 13 or 14 years, these testes and ovaries, testes in case of boys and ovaries in case of female or a girl, become functional. And when the ovary becomes functional, and every ovary is releasing, not every, alternate, one ovary is releasing one egg from 28 days to 30 days. 28 days to कहीं लिखा होगा शायद मैंने, yes. Puberty. What is that time? Puberty. और puberty हम कब कहते हैं? When first time this menstruation takes place in case of girls. And how it takes place and why it takes place, that also I am going to tell. And what we call it. Okay. अब क्या है बच्चों? When the egg has been produced, it, हमने लास्ट चैप्टर में पढ़ा था, it start traveling into the what? Start traveling into fallopian tube or oviduct. If sperms reach there, it gets fertilized, take the shape of an embryo, it's divided into multiple cells and gets embedded itself in the uterus of the woman. But here we are talking at the age of 12, 13 years. She's a girl, not properly matured, not adult, so far, not capable of going for all these silly things. Reason हम पढ़ेंगे इसको अभी. Adolescent pregnancy. कहने का मतलब क्या है? First time, when the egg has been released by the ovary, when it is traveling, or definitely it is not going to get fertilized because sperm will not reach there. The unfertilized egg is traveling through oviduct, fallopian tube, then to vagina and passes out to the urine of the girls. But since we know that fertilization takes place in the fallopian tube, तो क्या होता है बच्चों? Fertilization के बाद embryo बनेगा and embryo will get itself embedded into the uterus. तो क्या है? During that period, the uterus prepare itself. उसकी जो मस्कुलर लाइनिंग है वो थिक हो जाती है. It is richly supplied with blood capillaries and all that. Since egg has not been fertilized, it will travel past the uterus and go out through the urine. What happens afterwards? When the egg is not fertilized, the thick lining of the uterus, that disintegrate. वो टूट फूट हो जाती है उससे. जब टूट फूट होगी, blood along with other tissues, it comes out of the vagina of the girls in the form of bleeding, And this bleeding process carries on after every 28 to 30 days. क्योंकि वो एक साइकिल है. Every 20 or 30, 28 days or 30 days, alternately each ovary is going to release one egg, and every 20 to 30 days, 28 to 30 days, again this muscular lining, thick lining of the uterus is going to break, and it is bound to come out in the form of bleeding in case of girls. So first time when this bleeding takes place, first menstruation is called as what? Is known as what? Menarche. Is known as menarche. First menstruation. Menarche. That means menarche, first bleeding is the stage of puberty. How you can say? Because the ovary of the girl has become functional and it has started producing the female gamete. ठीक है? तो puberty के time, जब first time हमें कैसे मालूम पड़ता है that a girl has reached the age of puberty, that means the girl has become capable of reproducing. जब फर्स्ट टाइम उसका मेंस्ट्रुएशन पीरियड या ब्लीडिंग होती है उसे, जिसे हम menarche बोलते हैं, फर्स्ट टाइम जो होता है, लेटर ऑन इट इज नोन एज मेंस्ट्रुएशन. और सिंस इट इज occurring after every 28 to 30 days, approximately a month, it is also known as monthly or monthly periods, or even simply it is called periods. It is simply called as periods. कहीं लिखा होगा मैंने शायद 28 days, monthly periods or even periods. Menstruation, monthly periods or periods. Okay? चलिए. So this phenomena carries on in case of girls. Carries on till a particular age, 45 to 50 years. यानी 45 साल की उम्र आते आते या मैक्सिमम 50 years आते आते क्या होता है? The ovaries become non-functional. They stop producing the egg. अब जब egg ही produce होना बंद हो गया है, ovaries are no more going to have a thick muscular lining. क्यों? उनको मालूम है भाई यूटिरस को कि अब मुझे फर्टिलाइज एग को रिसीव नहीं करना है. When egg is not there, question is of fertilization is not there, and question of this. That means टूटना फूटना उस लाइनिंग का, डिसइंटीग्रेशन और ऑल दैट क्वेश्चन डजंट अराइज. और जब ये टूटना फूटना ही नहीं होगा उस मस्कुलर लाइनिंग का, ब्लड कैपिलरीज और ऑल दैट का, उसको जो ब्लड वहां पे इकट्ठा हो गया है उसका जब तोड़ फोड़ ही नहीं होगी, it will not come out from the body of the woman. At this age we are calling the female a woman. So that stage when the menstruation stops, that stage is known as the menopause. Last, no more menstruation, no more periods, monthly periods and all that. So reproductive phase of life in woman is like this, that at the onset of menstruation, or the first you can say menarche, a girl becomes capable of reproducing. We call it the age of puberty, and it carries on up to the age of 45 to 50. Exceptions are there. In few cases it may extend beyond 50, and it may be earlier than this age. Sometimes 40, 41, 42 भी some ladies में आती है जो डिप्रेशन में होती हैं, ज्यादा सोचती हैं, ज्यादा वरिड रहती हैं, टेंस रहती हैं लाइफ में, उनके अंदर बच्चों ये जो मेंस्ट्रुएशन साइकिल भी है, दैट इज आल्सो इरेगुलर. And now what I am going to tell you, particularly in case of girls, I have told you that the first period starts at the age of 12, 13, or it may be one year earlier also. So in case this does not take place in the life of a girl, wait for some time. That means 12, 13, 14. But even after 14 years of age, puberty has not taken place. Monthly periods or maturation has not started. That means definitely there is a hormonal imbalance in case of that girl. Do discuss the problem with your mother. Go to a senior or a good gynecologist. If possible, bachcho, if the schools are open, my daughter-in-law, she is MD in gynae. She is a doctor of ladies. We will call her to give a expert lecture on this. Okay? But let the COVID-19 phase go and we see each other in a classroom. Okay? Anyhow, so मेरा कहने का मतलब क्या है, अगर प्रॉब्लम परसिस्ट करती है, डिस्कस द प्रॉब्लम. क्या होता है बच्चों, बाद में ये जो हार्मोनल डिस्टर्बेंस है, डॉक्टर में गिव यू सम मेडिसिन एंड ऑल दैट, वो इम्बैलेंस जो है वो सेट राइट नहीं हो पाता है कई बार, और थ्रू द लाइफ द ओवरीज रिमेन नॉन फंक्शनल, जिसे बाजपन बोलते हैं. शादी हो जाती है, इश्यू नहीं होता, बच्चा नहीं होता, कंसीवमेंट नहीं होती, शादियां टूट जाती हैं. तो कहने का मतलब क्या है, फॉर गर्ल्स इन पर्टिकुलर दे हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दिस. इफ दिस सिस्टम डज नॉट ऑपरेट, कहने का मतलब क्या है, प्यूबर्टी डज नॉट ऑकर, मेंस्ट्रुएशन डज नॉट स्टार्ट, after a certain period, they must consult a good gynecologist. ठीक है? Yes. At the initial stage, when the puberty takes place in case of girls, periods are irregular. They are not regular. इस cycle पे नहीं आते. Irregularity is there, but after 3, 4, 5, maximum 6 months, this irregularity is automatically set right. एक सेट पीरियड हो जाता है, 29 डेज, 30 डेज, इट मे बी 31 आल्सो, 28 डेज. ठीक है? एंड इट रिमेन्स, दिस ब्लीडिंग कॉन्सेप्ट रिमेन्स फॉर 3 to 5 डेज. अब ये दोनों बातें हैं. कहने का मतलब क्या है, अगर ये जो साइकिल है बच्चों, अगर ये साइकिल फॉर ए लॉन्गर पीरियड अपसेट रहता है, कभी 15 डेज के बाद, कभी आफ्टर 3 months, 15 डेज, 2 months, 15 डेज, 1.5 month, और 3 to 5 डेज की बजाय इट लिंगर्स ऑन फॉर 10 डेज कॉन्टिन्यूसली. शुरू में गड़बड़ हो सकता है 3, 4, 5 टाइम्स, बट इट परसिस्ट. अगर ये आगे तक चलता है, ब्लीडिंग ऑकर्स फॉर ए लॉन्गर पीरियड, अगेन देयर इज प्रॉब्लम. Girls must discuss with their mother, and they must visit a good gynecologist for this. Okay? So this is what we have discussed all about the reproductive phase of woman. सॉरी बच्चों, बीच में फोन आ गया था. ओके, सो लेट्स गो नेक्स्ट. वी हैव so now coming to the sex hormones. यार